Why is it that the people doing the most to the environment are rarely told to be careful of what they're doing to the environment? Someone can fly into space and they know that that's damaging the ozone layer, but there's very little talk, and they're talking about, you know, they want to be doing these flights 4 times a year or whatever, and the damage one of those flights causes is 100 times more than the damage of one airline plane. So that means in a year they're doing 400 times more damage just to take 2 or 3 or 4 people into space. Whereas, you know, airlines are doing this like 100th of damage, carrying, you know, 200, 100 and something people. I don't think that's fair. We should all be held to the same standard when it comes to protecting the earth, because at the end of the day we all live on this earth, and the flash flooding, the wildfires, deforestation and just the ecological crisis affects everyone. It's not just a poor people problem, or, you know, like billionaires can escape and go live in Mars and leave us to languish on earth because the planet is damaged. And the same damage you're doing here is the same damage you're going to do up there. So why not try and fix where we are than try to run away from your problems? What's even more annoying is the fact that they preach to us about, oh, before you buy those strawberries in the supermarket, look at their food miles. Why is it I, the last person on the supply chain, the one that's buying the food to go eat it, has to be the one responsible to leave it on the shelf, when the people sourcing the food, the people importing the food, can calculate the food mileage and be like, maybe this is not worth it? And another thing, it's not feasible that a country can self-sustain, because certain things don't grow in certain climates, so, or different seasons, things are in season at different times. So it makes sense that some of the things that we eat comes from faraway places. Like, I'm not gonna calculate my food miles while someone is flying into space for shits and giggles. I'm not, because why am I doing that? I'm the last person that has to have any responsibility on how something ended up in my local store. I'm not gonna do that. I know some places have food deserts and things like that, but at the same time, it's like, if something's already in my store, it's food waste anyway for me to leave it and not buy it when I need it. I can eat it to sustain myself. Yeah, people need to ask the billionaires, like,
evil, this is a really big moment for you. Are you concerned?
What's your carbon footprint for that one journey that you took into space for like 9 minutes? What was the carbon footprint of that? What was the compositional change that was created by your 9-minute journey into space? All for what? Just to go and give an inspirational message up there? You could have gone to Necker Island or whatever the island that you own and said the same thing. Why do you need to be in space? Space tourism is just nonsense, really. You've got the two of them arguing about whose aircraft or spacecraft has the more greener fuel. No, why are you arguing about who's doing less damage for no reason? You're both doing it for no reason. So don't come and do nerdy shit talking about, oh well, my spaceship, my spacecraft uses whatever the fuck Tesla's SpaceX uses. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares because nobody asked for this mission to go over there. You're not doing nothing revolutionary about going up there. You're just going just to be out of space for a few seconds and then come back down. For what? For what? We're just looking like, why are we in it? Why do we have to celebrate your ostentatious shows of wealth? Because there's nothing more to it than just, you wanted to go up there, you did, now what?
Get it, nigga. What? That's right, girl.
Oh, I forgot to say how to subscribe in the beginning. I'm slipping. I really am slipping. Because why you not subscribed? Why you not subscribed, sis? It's the crack, ain't it? I know it is.